guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So as you read the title, today's video is going to be a makeup collection and storage video. So I always love watching these storage sort of videos and I thought of making one. And I'm 16-year-old and I do own a bit of makeup and I love playing with makeup. So I really thought of making like a collection video. And I thought that you all will be interested to know like what stuff I have and how I store it. So I hope that you all will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, comment your views in the comment section below. Let's get started with the video. So earlier I used to put all my makeup right here in these boxes where I have put my earrings for now onwards, which are not also like my whole earring collection, but I used to put all of my skincare right here in this box and my makeup in these boxes and some trays. And this is also a small mirror, but I used to put all of my makeup here because this is my dressing table. But I was thinking like my makeup was getting dirty right here because it was open, it was getting all the dust and everything. So I thought of getting something like this custom built thing, because online when I was researching I wasn't getting something good. They were like very cheap material stuff, so I really wanted something which is wood and everything. So I got this, and also it's multi-purpose because here it is cushioned, so I can even remove all this and sit over it. And I love this, and it doesn't really take that much space, and these 3 doors are just enough for me. And these knobs are also really pretty and I love the way it has turned out. I got this recently custom built from Amakolni Furniture Market, and you can like get it customized in whichever way you want to, whichever color, whichever size you want to, from your carpet. And first 2 drawers there's my makeup, in the 3rd drawer there's skincare stuff and not my full skincare. So let's get started with everything inside this. Starting from the top, I have my makeup brushes here in this container. This is from PAC, and I have shown this one of my Nykaa haul. This is very nice and sturdy leather box, and it's like an indoor plant right here. I've just put it for decoration purposes. This it's like all of my beauty sponges are there. If you could see, they are my beauty sponges. They are not clean, so I'm not gonna show you that. And there is a cloud light right there. So that's it for the upper part. Start with the first drawer. This is where mostly my face products are there, like my concealers, my foundations, and my face powders and my face palettes and primers all are in this one. So I'm going to show you this. So this is how it looks like, and I have put these in like these sort of trays, and like right here in these trays sort of thing. So in this we have concealers like the LA Girl one, the Maybelline one, Age Rewind one. It's already like over. And this is the Makeup Revolution one, more Maybelline right there, Wet n Wild and Too Faced one right there. And all of these concealers are my favorite, and I just love them. They are really nice. The most favorite one is the LA Girl one. I love the LA Girl one a lot. Then right here I have my foundations. My foundations are basically the Maybelline Superstay, the LA Girl and Makeup Revolution. This is my mom's Deborah Milano foundation. And if you want to know the shade, please do mention in the comment down. I will put all the shades of all the products in the description box as well. And these are like all my foundations. I really love this LA Girl one. It's very nice. Then at the back we have primer. It's the PAC primer and Benefit Professional, and then we have Smashbox, some sample of like Smashbox primers which are really good. Then we have some loose powders right there. So this is the loose powder and Fit Me loose powder, which I didn't really like use that much, but it's great. Then we have these 2 palettes. You can see I have used this palette quite a lot because this is really nice. I love this Makeup Revolution palette. Both of these are from Makeup Revolution. They're really nice. This is the Imagination one and this is the Iconic Highlights one. You should definitely try this out. They're really great palettes, and specifically this banana shade is my favorite from the palette. And at the back I have a PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It's a makeup fixing spray, so I use that. That's also very great. So this is all for the first drawer, which consists of all my face products, from foundations to primers and to powder and to concealers, which are my favorite section. The second drawer now. So second drawer is one of my favorite because it's like full of colors and eyeshadows and beautiful stuff which I love. So basically I'm gonna start from this side. Here I all have like my mascaras and my eyeliners like Too Faced, Maybelline, and I love Maybelline mascaras. They are super reasonable and I love them. And we have like liners from Color Bar, from Lakme, colorful liners, eyelash curler, lash glue, and Nykaa brow pencil and everything. And this is the Kiko Milano mascara in blue color. I love this section because I reach to it a lot because I love mascaras and eyeliners. So this is my favorite section. Now at this section all I have is like my blushes and my highlighters and my bronzer. So these are like tints like Cha Cha tint and Bennett tint and Go-Go tint. So this is all here. These are blushes, and this is one of my favorite blushes. This is Wet n Wild Mellow Wine, and this is always out of stock, but I love this one. And I also love this blush as well, Lottie London in the shade Zane, and I love this one as well a lot. And there's a highlighter from Nykaa. It's very nice. I also have some bronzers like this butter bronzer. I love this. The fragrance of it is amazing. And also this cream bronzer from Makeup Obsession. I also love this. And also I have this illuminator from NYX. It's very amazing. It gives a very natural glow. Then next up I'm gonna come towards my eyeshadow collections. Next up I have these single eyeshadow collection. These are mainly from Wet n Wild. These two are from Wet n Wild, and these two are from Kiko Milano. These are in a very pastel shade and I love them. And here I have my lash applicator so that it becomes more easier for me to apply my lashes. Then I have these mini Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. It's in warm browns, amethyst palettes, and the topaz one. So these are a variety of them. I got this from Dubai Mall. I got these two from Nykaa. Most of the product I have are mostly from Nykaa.com, and I love them. All these, most of them are from Nykaa. And this last palette is from Swiss Beauty. This palette right here, this one is from Swiss Beauty. It's like a really good dupe of Huda Beauty mini obsession palettes. Then I have here two palettes. These are Miss Claire one and Elf one. I just got this, like, I just don't know why I got Miss Claire one, but it's really pigmented and really nice. And this was gifted to me by someone, this Elf palette. Then I got this Nykaa palette, and it's really nice, and I love the pink and champagne shades. That's why I got it. Then I also have this colorful palette. I use it for everything. This is from Revolution Pro, and they have amazing shades and they're really nicely pigmented. I love these. Here I have some of my lashes from PAC and from Nykaa, and some Smashbox eyelid primer samples. So here what I have is this much only. I love this section. I love to play with colors, and it's like full of eyeshadows and everything. So in the third drawer, basically I have my skincare and some random stuff. So I'm gonna show that to you all as well. So here I have some of my masks, like the Innisfree mask, the Mama Earth C5 mask, which is, I don't think it's available in this way, but it's very much old. This is the Tony Moly mask. I love this volcanic wala mask. It's very nice. This is Khadi's sandal and rose one. I don't really use it because rose reacts with my skin pretty much, so I just don't reach to this like a lot. Then I have this has changed my life. I love this makeup remover. It melts your makeup nicely, so I really love the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Next I have my two favorite lip balms from Body Shop. It's in the strawberry and satsuma range. I love these. I never wear lipstick. I just put these on and they give such a good look to my lips. They're super moisturizing and I love them quite a lot. Next up at the back I have this jade roller. I got it for my mom, but she didn't really use it that much, and even I've never used it that much, but it's really nice. I've heard about it quite a lot. This is one thing which I got from Shein. Unfortunately it's banned now, but I really love this thing. This thing I used to use for washing my face, and it was really nice and hygienic to use this. Then I have my razor. There's a blade and razor of Gillette, and I love this. Then I have my sheet mask right here. I have quite a few sheet masks. This is my favorite sheet mask. This is from Tony Moly, and it's hyaluronic mask sheet mask, so I really love this mask. Then I also have this Nizoral. I got this just because I saw some videos online, because it's very good for healing your acne and everything, but it didn't really work for me. But this is what it is. So I hope that you all will like this video, because I love filming this, because I really love, you know, like the storage videos, as I've said earlier. So I hope that you all will like this video, and also do comment down below if you want to see more such storage videos, like you know, like my jewelry collection or my shoe collection, if you want to see more such videos. And yeah, stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.